Hi there. Are you looking for someone who can manage and take complete responsibility of your business to grow it in the search engines and social media platforms? Then you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Kiran. I am a full stack SEO expert with over 6 years of experience in SEO and digital marketing. Well, me and my team will help you to get organic growth from social media and search engines. We provide international SEO, local SEO, traditional SEO, on page SEO, technical SEO, off page SEO. It's like a complete SEO package for your business. Like whatever will need, we will provide it to you. In what CMS your website is built on, it doesn't matter to us. Like we work in every CMS. This could be in WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Wix, and it could be an also a custom built website. So it doesn't matter like what CMS your website is built on. We can work and gain a great result for your website, and we will provide you a scalable growth for your business. Well, me and my team always focus on advanced strategies like semantic SEO, topical authority, and building trust for the users and search engines, and also on. Well, we focus on the competitors also. Well, what your top primary competitors are doing right now, we follow their every and single steps that can help you to grow it and make a better plan. Analyzing competitors and spying on them is a great strategy. We will spy on your competitors and we will check their ability, their steps, their strategy. Then we will make a better plan for your website and your business to grow it more better. And we always follow the white hat method, which can deliver a top notch result for your business. Well, let me know if anything you want to know about or any assistance you need. Just reach out today. Feel free to call us or anything, like we can meet on Google or Zoom for a free consultation and guide for your business. I will do help you for there. Well, thank you so much.